Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I make paper with shredded bills, toilet paper and napkins. First, we need a sieve. Here is the sieve I use the most, but we are going to make a small sieve together to make a greeting card and gift tag. I remove the canvas from the stretch bar to keep only the stretch bar. You can keep the canvas for another project. The flat side of the stretch bar should be placed on the inside and the round side should be on the outside. Here I use a remain of black fiberglass window screen. The net is placed on the flat side of the stretch bar. Then we pin it on the center on each side, then diagonally. Here I fold the surplus on the back and I make a corner. To use a small sieve, you don't need a large plastic tray, but for a larger sieve, you need a larger tray. It's time to make a pulp. I use an old food processor with a S-shaped blade. I put 2 inches of toilet paper and shredded bill paper. Then I add 2 inches of water. The paper needs to be well covered. Here I have only a white paper pulp. I also made pink and yellow by adding colorful napkins. My paper will be lighter because I add white pulp. You can also add food coloring. We also need 2 large towels, reusable napkins, a sponge, and a tray to collect excess water. At first, I do the cardboard and I will finish with the paper. Since there is a lot of pulp in my bin, I dip my sieve only once. Then I let my sieve drain until the trickle of water turns into droplets. Then I flip the sieve. Here I add dried herbs. With my sponge, I get off the excess water. Now I'm moving on to the pink. Here I add red food coloring in the water and on the paper. Here we see that is a little paper left in the water. I have to pass the sieve 3 or 5 times to get a good enough thickness. It's time to press the paper. To do that, I use my second towel, a tray, and 2 gallons of heavy stuff. Then I let my sheets dry 24 to 48 hours. After 24 hours, you can speed up the drying with an iron. Here is the result. Here the paper looks like a mosaic. Here you can see the herbs. Here you can see the clovers I picked last summer. Here you see an example with gold leaf. Here is the result with little pulp. Here are other results you can get. Don't miss my next video, amazing DIY using handmade paper. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my channel to not miss my next video.